What's this? Oh, the microphone. Okay. Microphone is on. Test. Okay. Good morning, guys. What's going on? So, I'm still here in Sacmuc. It's pretty nice out here. I'm just waking up right now. They're cooking me breakfast, and I'm gonna go to the waterfall today. There's two things I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go do a walk to the waterfall, and then I'm gonna take a ride to the caves today. So that should be pretty cool. I'm gonna ditch the bike for a second, for a hot minute, and head to the caves. But first, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning right now. So I'm gonna go to the waterfalls. There's a trail that leads you. You can walk there by yourself. So I'm gonna go there and check those out. And yeah, bring you guys with me. Woo. All right, I am heading into the jungle to see the waterfall. This place just gets better and better and better every time I talk to someone, because they tell me something new about this place. So this is the kind of the midway point of an enduro run that runs from here to Guatemala City. So it goes like here, Guatemala City, Antigua, and then back to here. I think I'm missing a place, but yeah, so they do an enduro run. It's like all dirt road, all dirt and rocky road. Pretty much what I did when I came in here. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yes. My GoPro is gonna die soon. No, and I don't have the battery with me. But here is the waterfall. We're here. Oh, look at this. I have this place all to myself right now. Literally all to myself. There's a lot of rocks. Wow. Look at this. Yes. Yep. This is it. This is incredible. So you can swim in this, but I'm not gonna go swimming. But you can definitely swim in this. They said you can swim, hang out, chill, relax. But I think I'm gonna hang out, chill, and relax. Because this is actually perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. So, wow. Wow. So I'm heading back to the campsite. I was at the waterfall for about, I don't know, probably like a good 3 hours just hanging out. But I am back at the campsite. Yeah. And I'm gonna have some lunch now. Have some lunch. Maybe have a beer because I'm hot. And then, yeah, and then we'll go to the waterfall afterwards. So I have to update some stuff on my drone. I try to get some drone footage, but I got a little bit, but my drone needs to be updated. So I guess we'll figure that out soon. But yeah, I'm gonna have some lunch now, update my drone, and then I'll see you guys at the caves. Okay, so we're heading to the caves now. They said it takes about 30 minutes to get there, so I'll see you guys when we get there. We're on the back of the truck. It's normal. The road is, so it's gonna be like that for the whole way. I'll see you guys there. Okay, so we made it to the entrance of the caves. This is right here. There's only a few of us, so which is good. Right, we're off. Back into the jungle we go. To the caves. Oh, I don't have my microphone on. It's okay. So there's only 4 of us plus the guide. I'm glad it's not a huge group, so just a few people. I don't like when there's big groups going to these things, so too many people. Yeah. This is literally a cliff. This is crazy. Oh. Dude, this cave is really small. I can leave. I have to take my backpack off and leave it here. This cave is so small. It's tiny. Dude, I can't believe how deep into this cave we are. We are so deep. We're like gonna get to the bottom of this cave. So it's like super dangerous. Like super dangerous. Oh man, what is going on, guys? Welcome. I made it back alive. Alright, so I have to tell you guys about my cave experience. It was insane. I've been, this is like 10th cave that I've been to, and that by far was probably one of the scariest ones I've ever been. It was like, just from the beginning, it was really tight to get inside. Like anyone bigger than me would have trouble getting in there. Like it's really tight to get inside. So what else? It was very, very slippery.
Usually there's like a walkway. You can walk and explore the cave. This was not like that. It was like pretty raw. It was pretty, you just go in there and yeah, you just start exploring, which is what I'm not really used to. Usually people try to preserve the cave a little bit more, but for this one, they didn't do it. That's not the way they do it here. So, but it was an incredible experience. Yeah. It's definitely, if you're out of shape, don't do it. If you are, unfortunately, if you are overweight, don't do it. Yeah, I mean, it was incredible. So I have to leave this place tomorrow morning. I'm heading to Flores. So I'm heading there. There's a campsite there I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna stay in Flores for a couple of days, but I'm gonna camp out first, and then book a room with some good Wi-Fi, so I could research the border a little bit more. So then we will be heading to Belize in a few days. So what else? I think that's it. All in all, it was a good day. I survived, and now I'm gonna take a shower because my clothes are absolutely, like, everything is dirty, everything is muddy. So, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning in Flores. Peace.